Today I'm going to show you how to clean your charging port if it may not connect properly or charge properly. Now this iPhone, if I connect it to power, it goes in and starts charging. As you see, the battery flat symbol comes up, but it just doesn't feel very secure and just doesn't seem like a good connection. So in order to diagnose this, you're going to want to get your flashlight. I just use my iPad here. Turn the flashlight on. And you're going to want to look inside there and see if there's any crud. And as you can see, there's a little bit of crud in there. It may look a little bit different depending on where you are and what the environment is. But you can see there's a little bit of gray in there, like little speckles. That's dust. You want to get that out. And to get it out, it's really simple. All you do is, I just use my toolkit. It has tweezers in it. Get your tweezers. Any tweezers will work, just as long as they're thin enough to fit in the port. And you're going to want to stick them in there, but be mindful of which side the pins are. You can look on with your flashlight once again. In this case, the pins are on this side. You want to stick as far away from them as possible, because those pins are delicate, and if you break them, you're going to have to replace your entire port. So just fiddle around there. You want to keep your flashlight on for this. It'll make it a lot easier. And I don't know if you can see, but there are tiny bits of dust coming out. Get on the sides there. Tiny bits of dust coming out. And once you do that, it will, once you plug it in again, it'll plug in nice and solid and not have any problems charging. If it still doesn't charge, unfortunately your dot connector broke, or your charge port, depending on what phone you have, I don't know. Then you're gonna have to take that out and replace it. I'll do another video on that someday. And now you know how to get dust out of your charge port to make your phone charge better.